all the over. Karnataka, Sitaramaya. Anyway, and that is the reason. Exactly today, time has come. No, if you are arrogant, I don't mind. But today, time has come to oversee yourself. To oversee this arrogancy, this hatred, this vindictiveness have downgraded the popularity of Mr. Narendra Modi in India itself. You must appreciate that. This is the point which you have taken. Sir, what is called stable government with clear majority? What is called? Since BJP has lost 63 seats and not having majority on the basis of the strength of every political parties, you wish to redefine the term stable government. You are rewriting the term stable government. Fantastic procedure. आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240, वो गेम में भी हारा गया। इधर सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहा। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर, हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्ट्रेस भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर, आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में। Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in Man Ki Baat or in Dil Ki Baat. मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक देयर इज नो वारंटी, गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है। Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you, please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got blocked. This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes. Sir, there is a change. Of course, suddenly there is a change in the country itself. What the Honorable President of India has said. What has been done, you know. Change is this. There is an unstable government and other side is a strong opposition in the country. हर दिन हर पल याद रखना होगा, हम लोग अनस्टेबल हो और वो लोग इंडिया ब्लॉक ज्यादा स्टेबल है, ज्यादा सख्त है। मेरा जो वक्तव्य हम रखेंगे इधर, जो हम बोलेंगे इधर, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट में नहीं, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा, पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई चलेगा और ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहेंगे। सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उनका बाद 1.5 बरस में साफ हो जाएगा इस गवर्नमेंट को, कोई नहीं सकता है। सर, इन आवर कंट्री, आप लोग किधर बैठेगा, हम लोग किधर बैठेंगे। हाँ सर, एक्सेप्टिंग द इमरजेंसी डेज, नेवर एनी प्राइम मिनिस्टर misused his or her power for targeting the opposition leader by using ED and CBI like this government which has been happening. You are claiming a stable government. Sir, what we are habituated to see. What we are habituated to see, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the parliament, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, aur two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on it. This is his head. Where? Always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? One by one chapter. The Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, आपको हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. आप देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, आप सीनियर है एज में. जो सीनियर है आप ही तो कल बोला उनको इज्जत करना चाहिए. हम तो इज्जत करते हैं, इज्जत भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमको I am in a opposition, I have to criticize also. Then this is my role. That's the reason people of the Srirampur parliamentary constituency has chosen by a margin of 1,75,000 votes. बहुत ज्यादा मोदी जी का ऊपर से, बहुत ज्यादा. तो मोदी जी, why are you having so much hatred, vindictive attitude to the opposition parties? Why? In a democracy, opposition party will always criticize the ruling party. And that is the foundational job of the opposition party. Why we will hate all opposition leaders all the time, or we will spread hatred towards the opposition or to the minority? I never heard, sir, sorry, for long 10 years I have never heard from Modi ji any sweet words, any soft words towards the opposition is concerned. Any soft word, any sweet words. Never I have heard any praise by the Honorable Prime Minister to the opposition. Never. Never any praise to the chief ministers who are in the non-BJP state. Nowhere I have ever heard it, sir. With a great pain I am saying so. You, in our state, you hate our chief minister Mamata Banerjee. In Tamil Nadu, you hate Mr. Stalin. In Delhi,